Assalamualaikum guys. So here I am with another PR. So all the foodies watch it till the end. Basically I have received few sample bottles from Flavory. You can see that. This all are my favorite flavors, but especially this pineapple one. So this brand was flourished past 5 years back. And the best thing is they directly deal with the customers, no retailer, no reseller. And also they provide this at your doorstep. So guys, let's see how to make them and taste it. I'm very excited to taste all these flavors. A big love from me to Flavory as I am also foodie. Guys, I'll be mentioning the benefits of each flavor at the end of the video. So keep watching. So people, I have to mention one thing, that all the products are made with pure sugar base. So no need of adding sugar. So guys, you all can see it's written clearly here, no sugar required. Okay. So now let's start the process of making. So first I'm making pineapple crush because as I said it earlier, it's my favorite fruit. Wow, it's so good in texture. So we'll taste it in the end. This is milk based water and soda. You can make this in all three, milk, water and soda. So here this is another flavor, pink guava. We'll make it. So guys, this is also water and soda based. You can make this in water and soda. So guys, it's time to make this one. This is saffron cardamom faluda and this is totally milk based. Wow, this looks so pretty. So now let's make this. Wow. Guys, for water and milk based products, if you mix it in mixer for 5 to 7 minutes, it will add more to the taste. So now let's make this one. This is saffron cooler. This is also milk and water based. You all can make this in milk and water both. The fragrance is amazing. So guys, let's make this last one. This is muskmelon and this is water and soda based. So guys, the products taste better when served chilled. So we'll add some ice cubes. So it's all made. And guys, listen, the product is made with halal ingredients and most of the fruit based products contain original fruits in it. Let's taste each and every juice as it and see. Wow, this tastes so amazing and the smell is awesome. This smells so good. Guava smell. Wow, seriously, this is amazing. And I think now not only pineapple but every flavor is now my favorite flavor. And definitely I will. You all can contact Flavory to buy all this. I'll be mentioning and tagging them in my caption. So if you all want to visit, you all can visit their site or page. And as you all know, Ramzan is up and everyone needs refreshments in Ramzan also. And summer ka time hai, garmi. So you all can contact them. And trust me, this is my genuine feedback. This all are very, very, very yummy and tasty. So thank you.